Make a suggestion box in an HTML page. Getting suggestions from your customers or website visitors is a good way to boost traffic and sales, because you know what exactly it is they are looking forward to in your website. Here are the steps on how to make a suggestion box to put on your website. 1. Obtain a FormMail script. Find a script that is free to download. A FormMail is a script that allows visitors on a web page to leave a message. When the visitors submit the form, the script will then interpret all the fields that the visitors filled out and then send out an automatic email to the designated recipient. Or in this case, you, as the website publisher and owner. The FormMail typically has the following fields that the visitor can fill out: name, email, website/email address, subject, suggestion, text box. Scripts that are more complex and advanced will grant the website publisher to include CAPTCHA confirmation to avert spam messages. 2. Launch your website editor. After launching your editor, check if you have a cgi-bin folder on your local website folder. In case you don't have the said folder existing on your local folder, just generate one. Be sure to name it exactly as that, cgi-bin. 3. Initiate setting up the suggestion box on your local web page folder. On your web editor, pull up the FormMail script you downloaded. From your editor's menu bar, hit File and then Open. You can also use the common shortcut key on your keyboard by pressing Ctrl and O simultaneously. Any of the aforementioned methods will populate the open dialog pane. Find the location on which you have stored the FormMail script and double-click on it. When the script is opened via your web editor, save it. On your menu bar, hit File and then Save As. Name the script as you normally would, something that would make it easy for you to know that this is the script for your suggestion box. Ensure that you are saving the script on the cgi-bin folder on your local web page directory. 4. Tailor the script to fit to your website. When you download a FormMail script, an instruction would be included on it. Be sure to input the most important parts of the script to work on your website. This typically is the arrays for your website's domain name and the email address where the messages will be sent each time someone submits a suggestion in your website. Be sure to save the FormMail script you edited and after saving it, implement the script on your website by uploading it to your server. View your website and double-check if the suggestion box is showing as desired.